You are watching a master at work.
Living a life with a feeling. We really be chasing the chicken. Be getting the money, we stacking the money. We tryna turn 1 to a million. Got shorty all up in the feelings. Chase the bag, we don't chase the bitches. We get to the money, we stack all the hundreds. And I'm just like, oh, what a feeling. I swear to God, these niggas tripping. Got my toolie tucking, I conceal it. If I expose, I'm banging out the ceiling. Leave his body right below the building. Swear to God, I'ma blow. It's not what you know, gotta watch who you know. Get them knocked off the boat. Leave them swimming with fishes with blocks on your souls.
I wake up every single day. I am who I say I am. And I get what I get because I live in beast mode. Stop being gazelles. You're not average. You're not even good. You were born to be great.
We keep it burning, baby. We keep it burning, baby. Watch as we burn, burn, burn. Fire. We're on fire.
Can't train like everybody else and expect to be different. You feel what I'm saying? That shit not real. So you gotta do different shit. You gotta be different. And you gotta love it. Let's get it, man. Watch me go still.
My sons are done. My bitch Amazon. My blood is hard. Oh, what you think?
What's good, my people? It's real nice out here. Y'all see where we at? We at the beach. New Smyrna Beach. I was at the park, had a nice session at the park. Now we out here chilling, man. Doing some handstand training. You know, just getting it in. It's a lifestyle, bro. Let's check it out. It's real nice. about to ride some more on the beach a little bit more before we head out of here.
My son taking Polo used to be in cars. What you think? The dogs, my bitch and my son.
I don't waste no time, no. I don't waste no time, no. I don't waste no time, no. Get up and go shine, yo. Get up on your grind, yo. I don't waste no time, no. I don't waste no time, no. I don't waste no time, no. Get up on your grind, yo. Get up and go shine, yo.
Right. Gotta be cautious. If it take a loss, just boss it. Back in the whip, go floss it. Mac on the lip, she gorgeous. You ain't got the cream, gon' call it. Pull up to the scene, we moshing. All about my team, we mobbing. You ain't really saying nothing, you ain't really doing nothing, yeah. We all got problems, gotta learn to solve them. Get to know yourself, stop listening to they talking. Gotta live life, how you gon' do? Then see how they all come respect you. Fuck a DM, talking what they neck do. My only question gon' be what they check do. Tryna see all minds full necks with a caddy all black, all diamonds in the rear view. See clear now, yeah, this a redo. Get versy with the words, give a read through. Can't get played, these girls see through. Funny thing, y'all act like I need you. Raised right, I'm good with the fair play. She say, he say, all his say. All I know is I'ma make it out this bitch one day with my motherfucking life on airplay.
I don't waste no time, no. I don't waste no